Do you know the true cost of staff turnover in your hospitality business? In this video, I'm going to tell you, and I bet you're going to be shocked just how much money you're losing every time you have to replace a staff member. Hospitality has a notoriously high turnover rate of between 30 and 75%. So on average, at least half of your team is leaving your business every single year. Is that true for you? That's at least double the 15% norm across kind of all industries. And replacing staff costs you between 50 and 100% of their annual wage, right? Depending on skill levels, with management at that higher level. And if you're finding that hard to believe, consider termination admin costs, loss of productivity in the final stages, covering or replacing that person for the interim, hiring costs like ads, interviewing, training and induction costs, and loss of productivity for the employee. So you're looking at around 30 to 80 grand for every full-time staff member you have to replace. But you can minimise this problem and reduce your staff costs with a productive and committed team. For example, we have a hospitality client who was able to appoint his last 3 venue manager positions internally. So even with having to replace those people that they kind of promoted, they saved around $100,000 in recruitment costs. So if high turnover is a problem for your hospitality business, how can you fix it? It's actually really only 2 steps. 1, figure out why people are leaving, and 2, figure out how to get them to stay. Sounds simple, right? But not necessarily easy. The best way to find out why staff are leaving is to ask them, kind of in an exit interview, but I can tell you what the research indicates. It's really only 2 things that why people are leaving. Poor working conditions, that includes low pay, lack of communication, team tension, inflexibility, and also the second reason is lack of career opportunities. So how can you address these? Well, 1, provide a good work environment, right? Stick to the award, provide reasonable breaks, pay promptly, foster a team culture, and put the right systems and procedures in place. And number 2, provide training for your staff. Also make sure that they're aware of progression opportunities within your business. And don't forget to provide training to those staff that you do promote. Also consider accredited training to support your internal training and bring in kind of new skills and knowledge really cost effectively to your team. If you'd like the opportunity to book your own training strategy session where we can look at your existing workforce and help you develop a plan to turn them into your own dream team, visit our website at avtest.com.au/dream-team-strategy. I'll put that link below and book yours now. You can also visit our website avtest.com.au or email us hello@avtest.com.au if you've got any questions about staffing and training for your hospitality.